Can powered fans actually mess up your attic by causing negative pressure and creating more problems than they solve? So, powered attic fans are supposed to help cool your attic by pushing hot air out, right? But if they're not set up right, they can suck air from inside your house instead of from outside, creating negative pressure in your attic. That means air from your living space gets pulled up through cracks and gaps, which can bring moisture and even radon gas into your home. Definitely not what you want. To avoid this, make sure your attic is properly sealed and insulated before installing a powered fan. Also, you gotta have enough intake vents, like soffit vents, so fresh air can flow in without pulling it from inside your house. Another tip is to check if the fan size matches your attic size, because too powerful a fan will just cause more pressure problems. Plus, regular maintenance helps keep the fan running smooth without overworking it. If you're unsure, get a pro to inspect your ventilation setup to keep everything balanced. One of the biggest mistakes with powered attic fans is installing them without sealing your attic floor, which causes negative pressure by pulling conditioned air from your home. Fix that by sealing all gaps and cracks with foam or caulk. Another common issue is having too few intake vents, so the fan ends up pulling air from inside the house instead of fresh outside air. Adding more soffit vents usually solves this. Lastly, using a fan that is too powerful for your attic size can create excessive negative pressure. Choosing a fan with the right capacity and getting a professional opinion helps avoid this problem. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know how to properly install and maintain attic fans and ventilation systems. It's also a great spot for contractors looking to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business.